Hello, I'm Dr. Spandan Thakur. I want to talk about anxiety. Anxiety disorders are commonly known as generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and agoraphobia, claustrophobia. Multiple phobias are also attached. Anxiety is mainly complaining of घबराहट or बेचैनी, and the person is having overthinking due to some unconscious or conscious thoughts. So he is not able to stay at one place, getting palpitation, hand tremors, dryness of mouth. These are the symptoms that is creating anxiety more and more. In anxiety disorders, mainly the level of serotonin in the body is much decreased. So the treatment part will be combine of pharmacology and psychotherapy. In pharmacology, we can use little bit of antidepressants and anti-anxiety pills. And counseling is mainly cognitive behavior therapy and behavior modification with relaxation techniques. Anxiety can be occurred at many places. If it is only selective places, it can be a part of social anxiety and a phobia. But generalized anxiety is at multiple levels. Due to anxiety disorders, gradually the person is going towards the depressive phase. So it is very essential to treat anxiety patients at initial level to control their symptoms, so they cannot go beyond the level and they can get the depression very soon. In anxiety, mainly we are using antidepressant as primary antidepressant SSRI, then SNRI, and you can combine the clonazepam or low dose of lorazepam or alprazolam according to severity. Anxiety are mainly we are seeing in young people also, and sometimes after getting some selective ages, and anxiety is very common nowadays. Many people are getting phobia and multiple anxieties due to stress level, and serotonin levels are mainly found very low in anxiety disorders. So just consult your doctor as fast as possible to control your anxiety symptoms. Try to know more about anxiety symptoms as fast as possible. Thank you.